August 17th, 2021. I got a call from a guy. I worked for him over the years, here and there, once in a while. He's kind of like he tries to fix everything himself, handyman type of thing. He's got a bunch of income property, and I work for him here and there, spotty, you know. When he gets to the jam, he'll call me. Well, I guess at his house, he's got no heat on it at the furnace. He said he's got a furnace there, and he's tried changing the thermostat last night, and it still don't seem to be working. He wants me to program his thermostat. I said, I'm not going to program your thermostat. You're going to need to do that yourself. I'll get it going and put it on hold. You program somebody's thermostat, and then if it's not working, they want you to come back for free and reprogram it. I mean, I'm not into that shit. He bought the thermostat, let him program it. This way, if there's an issue, it's on him, not me. That's right, Molly. You want to buy a programmable thermostat, you program it yourself. You're going to call me, oh, this thing's not working, you're going to come back and reprogram. Bullshit. Bullshit. Not me. But anyway, I'm going to go over there, see if I get this thing fixed, see what's going on with it. Probably not the thermostat. Probably something else. We'll see when we get there. Well, he's got it on Celsius. I think he's got it on Celsius.
No.
It's set for Celsius, not Fahrenheit.
It's here. I don't know.
So that should be fine now. What time is it? We're set for Fahrenheit now. Go to 70 and push hold. 67 in here, so it should. We'll set it for 70. How you gotta program this thing is you gotta push both buttons in, hold it for 5 seconds. Push both buttons in, hold it for 5 seconds, and then you could go and read all the programming and do the programming.
Okay.
But I put it to Fahrenheit. I just want to make sure his stuff is set right.
Because
yeah, that looks good. That all looks good there.
Yeah.
Yeah. He might have something wrong downstairs. I just want to just see all this stuff is loose. It's probably something downstairs that's not, you know, but it's just have to check it, right?
Okay. Downstairs for sure.
Better to be safe than sorry, they say, right?
Oh yeah.
The cans are all set. Alright, so it's set for, we'll put it to 72 and push hold. We'll check it downstairs, it's on heat and automatic. Alright, it's basically a rod. Did he put the switch off anywhere? It's probably over there. That you know of? No. Working okay? All of a sudden it just stopped?
Yeah. It stopped. O lugar que liga essa máquina é ali na parede, no wall, atrás da minha máquina. Atrás da minha máquina de costura, né? Okay.
Boy, this thing looks crusty.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. Thing's a mess. Soaked with water.
Really?
Yeah, the motor's red hot. Flipping water in here. It's like flooded. This motor's red hot right here. The motor's red hot. Wow, it might have been the air conditioning. Might have been flooding it with the air conditioner. Look at it all.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Conditioning because
Maybe the air conditioner was leaking. But this motor's red hot. Gonna need a new motor for this thing.
can you change it?
I might be able to get one. I'll have to see.
Oh.
This is like a Rudd unit. Weather King. It's red hot.
Do you want to talk to Victor? Tell him.
Yeah, I'll tell him all right.
Okay.
Maybe he can get it.
Victor, o senhor está querendo falar com você.
Yeah, your exhaust fan motor is no good. It's not running. It's red. Your exhaust fan motor is red hot here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Steve,
What?
stop talking again. I couldn't hear you before.
The exhaust fan motor is red hot. So in other words, it's not spinning. So it's burnt out, and this thing's all wet inside here. It's all rusty. What's that from? The air conditioner?
No, I believe it's this PVC pipe goes up. You know what I mean? This PVC pipe goes up. They always full of water on the top. There's water like I don't know the water is supposed to go.
It's not supposed to be flooded like that, guy. That's bad.
Oh, last night, right? Last night, I touched the pipe that was like loose, and then the water went down. The whole
It's all rusted
water
out.
inside the pipe went down, and then the pump started working. That little pump.
Not good.
Tá cheio de água e cheio de ferrugem. Você precisa ver.
Really?
Yeah. Ele falou que precisa.
All right, we're getting 110 in the motor, but it's not running. It sounds like it's flood. It sounds like it's trying to pump water in there. Unbelievable.
Okay.
Hang on a minute. This thing's full of water, guy. That's why it's red hot. It's all full of water.
Oh. Yeah. I
Dum.
noticed last night when I disconnected the pipe, water went all the way down to the boiler.
Well, I mean, the thing's probably full of water. Unbelievable.
So, what are we gonna do?
What are we gonna do? Here comes the water. Look at it pissing right out there. Look at it. Full of flipping water. Look at it.
Nossa, muita água, Vitor.
You see it?
É, muita água daquele pano.
Flipping
Do
dum.
PVC, né? Do pano branco, né?
Daquele black do muro.
I unhooked the vent hose, and it's leaking. The water's leaking out here. Wow. Thing was trying to run underwater. You can't have that. That's terrible. I don't know, Victor. This thing's a real shit show you got here.
Really? Think you're gonna need another boiler?
There's supposed to be a vent. There's supposed to be a drain down the bottom here. It's probably blocked. Has never.
The thing was full of water, and sometimes
Link. Sometimes I have
it's
water
leaks on the
here.
floor. Yeah.
Nossa, ele pôs o.
Wow, look at it. It's broken off, guy. You can't. It's broken right off.
Tá tudo quebrado.
It broke right off. You broke it. It's broken right off there. The exhaust, where it goes through. Wow. Uh-oh is right. Yep. That's supposed to be connected to that exhaust right there. Look at it. I could move it by hand.
Yeah.
No good. Can't run that. That's no good.
Solto, Victor.
Victor, you're in trouble here, guy. You're gonna have to change this furnace. It's gonna need a new furnace.
Wow.
That's what I said.
Damn.
Damn is right. Yeah, because that's supposed to be connected, right?
Yeah, look like it.
How much is the furnace? And the plumber? How much you talking about?
Unbelievable.
Are you gonna change everything?
We're gonna have to. I mean, you can't leave it like this. Look at it. It's a flipping mess. The problem is this PVC stuff isn't legal anymore. It's gotta be all changed. You can't use this PVC no more. It's gotta be special, different kind of pipe.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what I said. Well, I was right. Look at the amount of water in here. Thing's just smoked. It's cracked right there. So this thing's going up and you say it's flooding back with water?
Yeah, sometimes I have...
You have water here. The drains are probably all blocked.
Oh, this thing. This is the air conditioner. I don't know.
H.
Victor knows.
Yeah.
Slow opening. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll get you a price on changing it out, Victor. I mean, that's all I could do.
After he's gonna...
34 high.
Yeah, just give me a call tomorrow and see
What a flippin' shit show.
it's gonna be.
21 wide. We can go right out the sidewall here with the vent. Okay? We can't go, if that's going up and it's going over the sheetrock, we're gonna just cut that other one out. And we're gonna have to run new pipe out the sidewall there. Can we go out the sidewall or is that too low? Out the sidewall.
Yeah.
Is that below the phone? Is that below or is that, are we under? No, see, we're good. We're nice and high here, so. Yeah. What about windows and stuff? We got any windows?
No.
I can go right out here with it. Right out here. We could put like a. Is there windows on the other side?
No.
On the other side of that wall?
On the other side, I have the garage.
The garage.
Yeah. But I think it's better.
Yeah, there's no windows. Okay, so we're good.
The windows.
Yeah, so we can go right out the side there with it.
Over there.
This is high efficiency, and you have to be vented outside.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Might be able to do is run along this wall here, and then bring it up and drop it in. Where's the air conditioner? Do you know where them are? The AC?
The AC, I think it's this over here, no?
See, this is all flipping.
See, it's 2 machines outside.
This is all flipping duckboard, guy.
O negócio aqui tá
They're
feio.
gonna you have some big machine in
This is all flipping duckboard.
an attic.
I think this is the machine, no?
This is all duckboard.
Air conditioning.
Where's the air conditioner? Out the side? We're outside. Both of them in the same spot.
Yes, it is.
Same spot, yeah, one side the other.
Take it to-
What do we got here? A little 3-ton unit. Unbelievable. Yeah, I just priced one of these up actually. Not going to be cheap, I'll tell you.
I know.
Yeah, so there was all kinds of water coming back from the condensate drain, and when you can see this thing's he broke it. He broke it right off. Look at this, ma'am. That's Victor.
Yeah.
Playing around over here, playing around with it, and broke it off. He's calling me to fix it. Look at that.
Yeah.
Not good.
No.
Ele tá falando disso das máquinas pra fora, Celino?
No.
Yeah, you better start speaking Portuguese.
Inside.
Yeah.
Do you speak Portuguese?
No, I want to know what the hell he's saying.
He say where is the machine? Where you are? And
It's under.
the kitchen.
Can't make this shit up. Yeah, so we're gonna come out right out the side wall here with it somewhere. That'll be perfect. And we got 2 units. Weather King. We don't know which one's which, but we'll figure it out. This is a 3-tonner. Oh, 01. 01, so that's 20, they're 20 years old.
Yeah.
21 years old.
Sure.
This one's a 24, so this must be the second floor. The 3-ton, this is the first floor one. 3-ton. This is an 01, 301. Yeah, so this is the first floor one right here. This big one's the first floor. Well, guys, just left that job. They got condensate that's supposed to, you know, go down, drain down through the system and into the condensate pump. Well, it must have been all blocked, and he's been running it for, who knows, for years. And the condensate drain's blocked going down below, right? So the thing's just filling up with condensate, trying to push it out the exhaust. He goes over there and starts playing around, ripping shit out, breaking shit. Fills the exhaust fan motor up with water. I could hear it. Thing was red hot. Thing's been underwater for I don't know how many days. So he's gonna need a new system now. I mean, that thing's really a shit show. It's 20 years old and not worth fixing. So we'll get him a price on a change out. In the meantime, I told him to go get some electric heaters. Go get some electric heaters because you're gonna need them. To leave people hanging like that, but I ain't gonna try to patch that piece of shit. It's all rusted, it's been leaking for who knows how long. I mean, put the exhaust fan motor under flipping water. I pull the vacuum port out, water starts pissing out. I shut it off and recycled it. I could hear the motor spinning in the water. He's telling me, oh, there's all kinds of water in the vent all the time, he's telling me. Well, it's supposed to drain out and drain down through the condensate line, but the condensate line's blocked. So go figure that one out. Oh, Miss Molly, it's like unbelievable. Oh, man. He wants a price. Oh, yeah, he wants a price. We'll have Itchy and Scratchy do it. Well, the Itchy and Scratchy show do it, I bet you. Oh, yeah, Itchy and Scratchy will probably do that job.